in the nitrogen cycle, the next step is a nitrification. The so formed ammonia will be converted into nitrite and nitrate by different types of bacteria. The process of conversion of ammonia into nitrate is called as nitrification process. So this is done in two steps, that is the ammonium will react with oxygen to form nitrite along with the protons will be released and water molecule. So in this process here Nitrosomonas or Nitrococcus type bacteria will be utilized in this step, and the so formed nitrite will be further undergoing oxidation to form nitrate molecules. Here this is done by nitrobacter like bacteria, and the bacteria which are concerned with this conversion of ammonium into nitrate, we call all these bacteria as a nitrifying bacteria. So the plants will utilize the nitrogen in the form of ammonium, nitrite and nitrate, but out of the three forms, so they utilize nitrogen in the form of nitrate in larger quantities. Now here the last step in the process of a nitrogen cycle is denitrification. That is, the so formed nitrate will be reconverted into molecular nitrogen in order to balance the concentration of nitrogen in the atmosphere. So the process of the conversion of nitrate into molecular nitrogen is called as denitrification, and the bacteria which are concerned with them are called as denitrifying bacteria. So in this process the nitrate molecules will be converted into different types of steps, like nitrite will be formed, nitrate to nitric oxide, from nitric oxide to the nitrogen dioxide, from nitrogen dioxide to it will be once again converted into the molecular nitrogen. So this is a way how this the nitrate that have been formed in the nitrification step will be converted into molecular nitrogen, so in order to balance the nitrogen concentration in the atmosphere. So here there are some bacteria like Thiobacillus denitrificans and Pseudomonas denitrificans. So these are some of the denitrifying bacteria which are concerned with the denitrification process. Likewise here the nitrogen have been taken from the atmosphere, and once again it will be entering into atmosphere from the soil through the animals and plants and animals. That's why we call this as a nitrogen cycle.